Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to see dislikes on YouTube videos. So recently YouTube removed the ability to see how many dislikes a video has, but fortunately there's a workaround. So if you just go to a video, for example like the Infinite Warfare trailer, which is notoriously one of the most disliked videos on YouTube, we can't actually see how many dislikes it has, but we can see the likes. But if we just go over to Google and search return YouTube dislikes, the first link will be a Chrome extension link. So just press that and download that Chrome extension. Just add to Chrome, and it'll take a bit and then it'll add to Chrome. As you can see, it says added to Chrome. So if you just close that and refresh the video again, you can see that now we see that it has this amount of dislikes, 4,600,000 likes. So that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.